I'm Sarah, welcome to Gymsesh Top Tips. What I'm going to talk to you today about is pull-ups. I can't do a pull-up unassisted. So unlike Michael, I need to do some upper body strength. I need to strengthen me back, my shoulders, my lats, my biceps and triceps, my forearms. So a lot of work needs to go in to do this. I should have started out when I was on my fitness journey doing the fundamental movements, body weight movements, but unfortunately I rushed into it and I'm still not able to do a pull-up yet. So what I do is banded pull-ups, banded chin-ups, and I also do face pulls, dead hangs, and you can do these for sets of 3, about 5 to 6 reps, maybe twice to 3 times a week. So let's get cracking and we'll show you some movements and demonstrations to get that first pull-up. Okay, so we've got our bands ready. What I would suggest is when you first start out, just find out how much help you actually need from the bands, because you could be using 2, you could be using 1, so just test it. You need to be pushing yourself. So we'll go with the purple. So just grab your bands, pull down and put your foot in. Now you want to lock off that, put your other leg around and pull. Now I find these quite hard, so you need to do it regular. Try and do 5 reps for 3 rounds. You can also be doing your chin-ups. Band again. So you want palms facing your face. I'm getting tired. So they are quite difficult. Just keep on practicing. What you can do is once you've been doing it for maybe a week, your muscles getting used to all those muscle fibres that have torn. Really go on muscle strengthen in your arms and your lats and everywhere. What you could be doing is just at the beginning of a set, just try and do strict without any help, if you can manage, just so that you're able to adapt and progress. Now, with face pulls, with your bands, grab, you want to pull it directly. You might whack yourself in the face a few times with the bands, but don't worry, it doesn't hurt. Now, talking about your dead hangs. So what you want to do is 15-second hold roughly, or work towards 15 seconds. If you can't do that, just see where you're comfortable with and then go from there. But once you've done your hold, I want you to then do scat pull-ups. So what I'll do is demonstrate. You'll hold onto the bars and you'll let yourself fall so that your shoulders come up to your ears. And then you want to try and pull your shoulders down and you'll feel that working in your lats. So now you want to pull your shoulders down. So what we'll do is we'll take these away. Now for pull-up negatives. So onto another exercise that can build all your strength up is negatives. So we're going to do some pull-up negatives. So what I like to do, you can use a box, pop it in the cage so you can stand on, is just stand on your safety bars. And then jump. So you want to try and lower yourself as slowly as you possibly can. All the way to the bottom. So if you just do 3 sets, 5 reps, 2 to 3 times a week, that should give you some real good strength, tear them muscle fibres for them to grow more muscle, get stronger, and get you to get your first pull-up. If you did like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our free channel. We'll see you in the next video, which is an EMOM, and don't forget guys, train safe.